This is Alicia with the Desert Winds, continuing our how-to knitting videos. Today I'm going to go over ribbing. Now, ribbing is most commonly seen in garments around the edges near the neckline. It's also found at the top of socks and at the bottom of hats. That's the part that goes in more tightly around something to help make it hold up pretty much. Now, ribbing in knitting, there are lots of different patterns to doing it, but really what it comes down to is knitting knit and purl stitches that alternate. So sometimes you'll see it where it's knit 1, purl 2, or purl 2, knit, or knit 2, purl 1, or even knit 3, purl 1, or knit, purl, knit, purl. Now, I'm going to go ahead and do this with a basic purl 2, knit 2 across, and I already have my row started, so I'm just going to start here. I'm going to go purl 1, purl 2, knit 1, knit 2, and I just keep that going around just with my basic knit and purl stitches. Purl, purl, knit, knit, purl, purl, knit, knit. Now whether you're doing circular or just rows across and then going back and forth, you just make sure that where you had knit, you then purl when you're doing the opposite side. And here we go. You can see knits, purls, knits, purls, knits, purls, and then if I flip it over, knits, purls, knits, purls, knits, purls, knits. And that is your ribbing.